it. I need a truck like this. I don't know if the skid steer is tall enough to load it though. But how lickety-splickins is that? Just some random dump truck full of the gravels. Even son. Look at the stack. Oh, don't be scared. Okay, here again. That little pile there's one dump trailer load. Buddy charged me 30 bucks for that, I think. Okay. This is a plenty of more of the load than that. Decent.
Look like the shape you want?
Yeah. Can you get more?
There's a little bit of asphalt in that first part because they did a little milling on the asphalt there, so
that's all right.
It'll be a little chunkier, but it'll do the same job.
Yeah.
All right, want more?
Yeah. Big time.
Sound good, man.
Right on, man.
I'll be back.
Yes, sir. Friggin' awesome. Oh, you got a couple millings into it. Hey, she's a heavy aggregate. Hey, fella found out I was a big fan of the crushed aggregates, and holy shit, I'm a crushed aggregate enthusiast, big time. Oh, I just kicked rocks in my shoe. Son of a bitch. But yeah, that'll work out perfect in here. Because, you know, we got to build her up quite a bit, eh? I'd like to be able to just, like, level right into this door. I was kind of going to be okay with it sloping down on an angle and being all dicked and stuff, but I'd really rather it not. I mean, if we could just, you know, make the gravels up to, you know, so-and-so of the height, and then so the slab just tucked into that little notchy poo right there, nice and squazoot. Yeah, man. Big time, but yeah, I got a bunch of welding to do. I got to weld these containers together. I got to, like, take that piece of metals there and weld it in there, and oh man, anybody know a welder? Hey, this would be kind of nice, you know. You can make sparklers with the welder, but to actually make metal stick together good, especially on these shipping containers with the stick welder and a generator and stupid stuff. Really, I should just get some heavy friggin' heavy berry cable, and we'll just friggin' trench across to the container and put, you know, 220 out there too. I don't know. Oh, and my fuel pump shit the bed on my truck the other day. I was like right out of fuel, so I needed to refill it. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. I needed to refill the petrol, the diesel petrol fuels, and my stupid pump, no worky. I had to, like, siphon fuel out of the tank with a piece of hose. A lot of banging going on over there, boys. So I'm pretty sure if we just take this guy off here, we can expose the spinny bits and, you know, get her working until we can get Nelson down here anyway, because, like, I mean, it's been cobbled and, you know, the switch doesn't work. It's just straight friggin' wired in. So I don't know. Not really sure. Should have a filter on this thing too. Like, that's gonna cause problems. Maybe we should, yeah, so it's 3/4. We'll just get a filter for that probably. Anyways, we'll looks like a 10 mil. We'll crack that off there and see what's there to be stowanced and go from there. Now that's just too much banging, I think. It's quite a bit of banging, you know what I mean? consider piping down. Yeah, she's not bad when you're still, but walking, you sort of feel your lung friggin' jostling around. It's fucking great. Holy, hear that? Well, that's pretty cool. I expected that to be all gummed up and dicked. Huh. That's handy. Oh, this is freaking fantastic. I can't even believe this is happening. Look at that fucking pile. Good Lord. Good Lord. That's a lot of gravels. Send them over. Yes, sir. Right on. All right. I'll just give you one. Right on. Careful. Screw. Screw. Yeah, I got sunted. Oh. Really? Fuck, I gotta take her easy, boys. I'm fucking dying. Oh, shit. Problem is, I love joints and darts and friggin' dabs and but I got popcorn lung. You know what I mean? So that's great. This is awesome. I wish I wasn't like totally perishing today and I could. It didn't hurt so bad to move. It feels like a water balloon of pain in your chest. You know, like every time you move and it's sloshing around, it hurts, right? Oh dear. Oh, your flaps, bud. Oh, your flaps. Don't rip your flaps. Holy shnikowitz, boys. I got all type of dirt. Look at all my crushed aggregates. That's crazy, absolutely crazy that they remove all this to just put a different type. Yeah, this really couldn't work out any more lickety splips. I'm gonna have to move all the crap in the dormitory and start putting lifts in. Hey, we'll start putting lifts in over there. And I want to sort of make like a little channel so the water that runs out will run out. You know what I mean? It'd be awesome. But yeah, holy shit! I all of a sudden got all type of the works cut out for me. Yeah. Yeah, right there. That's where the next one will go. Golly. Oh, I'm dying again. Ah. I find the key if you're gonna have collapsed lungs is to only do one at a time though. Oh. Oh. You don't want to do both. One or the other, you know, you pick. Ah. Oh, she's pretty rough right now. So that's cool. Lots of drumming. Holy schnikowitz, this is a tall pile. Good Lord. Good Lord, McJankum even. You got a foot. Thank you. Awesome. Holy shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loads. 5 loads of free dirt. I don't know if it's as much as the you know, the crushed freaking asphalt or whatever, recycled asphalt, but that stuff was fucking $500 a load. So, and those loads weren't even as big as these ones. So if we're even in the ballpark, there's $2,500 worth of shit right there. Yes, please. More, thank you. Oh, I've been dicking around today. Saved you the friggin' whatever bother. Save you the bother of friggin' watching it. But anyways, move some stuff around out back. Got all the power wheels loaded up. Piss was mentioning he wanted to. Holy shit! It smells like cigarettes. What the f? It smells like somebody is just having a cigarette in Inwood. But anyways, friggin' power wheels are all loaded up. I'm gonna go. I gotta go take a test. Hey, I'm gonna go take a test here, and then we get back, do a little bit more dicking around, and then I got a little skid steer job for later. It's like a 97% sure thing, but oh, well, I got her, boys. Put it off for quite a while. I don't know, idiot, I guess, but she's a done deal now. I'd tell you what it is, but half you guys are goofs, right? So